Do you ever find yourself wishing for a super easy way to get paid for your side hustle or small business without having to deal with cash or complicated card readers? If you're already using Venmo for personal payments, you know how simple it is. Well, good news. Venmo makes it just as easy for you to accept payments from customers with a Venmo business profile. It's perfect for freelancers, local shops, and anyone running a small operation. In just the next couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through the super simple steps to set up your own Venmo business profile so you can start getting paid with a seamless, user-friendly system you and your customers already know. Step 1. Head to the right place. First things first, make sure your Venmo app is up to date. Open the app and tap the Me tab, which is usually your profile picture or initials in the bottom right corner. Then, look for the little gear icon for settings in the top right. Step 2. Create your business profile. In the settings menu, you'll see an option for Create a Business Profile. Tap on that. This is where you'll start to define your business. Venmo will ask you a few questions right off the bat, like what kind of business you run. Is it a physical goods store? Are you a freelancer offering a service, or something else? Choose the category that best fits. Step 3. Input your business details. Now it's time to fill in the specifics. You'll need to enter your business name. This is what your customers will see, so make it clear and professional. Your business category. Be as specific as possible here. For example, instead of just retail, select apparel and accessories. A short description, a sentence or two explaining what your business does. Venmo will also ask for things like your employer identification number, EIN, or social security number, SSN. This is a crucial step for tax and identity verification, so make sure you have that information handy. Rest assured, Venmo treats this data with security. Step 4. Define your payment preferences. Almost done. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your payment preferences. This is where you connect the bank account where you want your business funds to be deposited. You'll also want to look at the fees. Unlike personal payments, which are typically free, Venmo charges a small, standard fee for receiving business payments, which is usually a percentage plus a fixed amount per transaction. Make sure you understand these charges so there are no surprises. Once everything looks good, read and agree to the terms and conditions, hit submit, and boom. Your Venmo business profile is ready to go. What's next? Once your profile is approved, you'll have a few new features. A unique QR code. This is a game changer for in-person sales. Customers just scan it and pay. Distinct transaction history. Your business payments are kept separate from your personal transactions, making bookkeeping so much easier. The power to accept payments. Share your new Venmo business handle with your customers, put your QR code on your website, or even print it out for your table at a craft fair. Setting up a Venmo business profile is one of the easiest ways to legitimize your small business payments and give your customers a familiar, convenient way to pay you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.